Once upon a time, a long, long time ago, before I was born, there was a plural word in English for you, which is ye. God bless ye merry gentlemen, or God rest ye merry gentlemen, something with ye merry gentlemen. And so you are looking very lovely tonight, which you are, have to say, is talking to one person, and ye are all looking lovely is how you would say you to more than one person. We don't have that in English anymore, although some people use yous, nice to see yous guys, as a plural form of you, which is grammatically correct and perfectly acceptable. In Te Reo Māori, there is also a difference between the singular you when talking to one person, which is koe, like koe, stian, I've got a koe, stian, and a plural form of you, which is koutou. So, if you are asked to speak in front of a group of people, you can say, Tēnā koutou, there ye are, there you more than two people are, Tēnā koutou. There's another word that we can add to this, which is katoa, and katoa means all. And I'm sure that you have heard this, Tēnā koutou, Tēnā koutou, Tēnā koutou katoa, which means there you are, there you are, there you all are, which is a very, very polite and lovely way to acknowledge a group of people. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. It's a true story.